Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to export video from CapCut to TikTok, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to export video from CapCut to TikTok. Okay, I have this video in CapCut. Just click the plus icon to add it to the timeline. And this size is for YouTube. To change it to TikTok, just click ratio and then select 9:16, and then here click on the video, and then you see here video basic, and then here scale, just increase it. And after that click export, and here you can change the name, for example my TikTok video, and export to, I select here desktop, but if you want to change it just click on it, and you can export it to download or document or this PC. And then other thing here is the same format. I will change it to MP4, and here is the same. Just be sure audio is on. Yeah, after that click export, and then just wait for few minutes until the process is completed. Okay, it's done now, and you can see here open folder. Just click on it, and you can see here it's the video. Then just you can go to TikTok and upload the video. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to export video from CapCut to TikTok. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.